To get a cash advance on a Rapid Pay card, you first need to understand what a cash advance is and how it works. A cash advance is a short-term loan that allows you to access cash using your card. But it often comes with fees and interest rates. The first step is to check if your Rapid Pay card offers a cash advance option. Not all cards provide this feature, so it is essential to review your card agreement or contact the card issuer to confirm. If your card does offer cash advances, the next step is to find an ATM or bank that accepts your card. You can usually do this by looking for the logos on the back of your card, such as Visa or MasterCard, and finding an ATM or bank that displays the same logo. Once you have found an ATM or bank, you will need to insert your card and select the cash advance option from the menu. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN and the amount you want to withdraw. It is crucial to note that cash advances often come with fees, which can range from 3 to 5% of the amount withdrawn. Additionally, interest rates on cash advances are often higher than those for regular purchases. To minimize costs, it is recommended that you only withdraw the amount you need and pay it back as soon as possible. You should also review your card agreement to understand the terms and conditions of cash advances, including any fees and interest rates that may apply. In summary, getting a cash advance on a Rapid Pay card involves checking if the option is available, finding an ATM or bank, selecting the cash advance option, and understanding the associated fees and interest rates. By following these steps and being aware of the potential costs, you can use cash advances responsibly and effectively.